for the IPO. So, Eris Life Sciences is a very young company, and you were never raised money earlier. So, what's been the genesis and the whole DNA of the company?
So the DNA of the company, look, the environment in which we were brought up, we were all working people.
Right.
So raising money, we didn't even know how to raise money actually.
Sure.
So friends and family were the only place to go.
Okay.
Right. So there was a huge efficiency factor which sets in, on the day one. Because when you are running on that edge,
Right.
you try to do everything in the best possible manner.
Sure.
And then over a period of time, it becomes the DNA.
Absolutely.
So that sometimes it's those that environment where you have to be on your own, you have to keep on running,
Right.
you have other people to take care of.
Right.
You learn. So it's more about the environment, and then it became the way of life.
Okay. Sure. So, there are a lot of lifestyle diseases on the rise. So, what is the core focus area for you, and what are the gaps?
Look, let me talk about this.
Yes.
We always talk about hypertension and diabetes. One thing which we decide is what is this lifestyle impact is happening on women? What is it doing to women?
Sure.
Look, today we see very young girls achieving puberty quite earlier than what they are supposed to with young generation. And the load of PCOD which we have seen in young women
Sure.
is very, very high.
Okay.
Now, if this correction is not done at this point of time,
Right.
the natural immunity which females always enjoy because of the estrogen
Right.
might not be as big as it used to be.
Okay.
So we see a huge challenge, issue, problem in that particular, in that particular disease. We would like to contribute there
Okay.
as far as possible.
Right.
That is awareness, whether it is coming with better drugs, innovative products, or even if it is maybe an education platform.
Oh, excellent. So, what is the USP of this platform or your forthcoming plans?
No, so this I'm just throwing
Or your
out
offerings,
to you.
yes, yes. So how about your offerings?
It would be like this.
Okay.
So look, what basically we do is we sell solution,
Right. Okay.
and also on the solution, the pharmaceutical slips.
Right.
So that's what we do.
Okay. Excellent. And what is your marketing strategy and your distribution network?
So marketing strategy is the same which I told you. Look, all of us work very hard to find solutions to problems. So
Right.
we internally we use a word which is applied research.
Right.
Right? So
Okay.
applied research is you see a problem
Right.
and get to the depth of that problem and give a solution. Right.
Right. And how many manufacturing plants are there?
So we have one manufacturer.
Okay.
Large in the state of Hawaii.
Okay. Okay. And where do you plan to, utilize all the funds raised by the IPO?
So none of the fund is coming in the company. The company was always having a good
Right.
So this is an OFS, which is largely by the investor
Okay.
who's been with us for 6 years and now facing a fund closure.
And what is the PDM you mentioned in your presentation?
It's very technical to be
Yeah,
really
just to, yes,
explain
yes,
in a
yes.
short
In a
way.
brief.
So that's a matrix which is called prescription per doctor.
Okay.
It basically talks about the penetration of brands.
Penetration of
Penetration of brands
Right.
in specialty.
Right. Yes. Okay. So it's like a market is clustered with the brands. So how do you plan to stay ahead of the curve?
So I told you, so I can repeat.
Yes.
Though we sell pharmaceuticals,
Right.
we
Yes.
do work hard. So
Okay.
as I told you,
Right.
we are like
Very
solution.
holistic kind of. So what is the plan?
We
Yes.
continue doing it. I was telling you, we will come to getting very aggressively on the woman case. Sometimes we find us coming with some solution
Okay.
which will try and solve some problems. if not all.
Sure. So how big is it? What is the market size and what is the market share you enjoy?
So right now, I guess in our relevant market, our share is about 5.5%.
Okay.
That's the share which we have
Okay.
on
Okay.
the products.
Okay. And what is the whole industry size?
Whole industry size is now in the excess of 1 billion
Okay.
for a year.
Okay.
And we are around 1% of the share
Okay.
from the entire industry.
Right. And can you share some growth numbers?
So in 2007,
Okay.
the share,
Right.
our top line grew by around 20%, 22%,
Okay.
and the bottom line 75%.
All right.
270 crores.
Okay. And you're planning something in vitamin D and pregnant women. So
That's
can you
all.
share about your plans?
So these are all something which are in the head.
Okay.
We need to sit down.
Sure. Okay. So what's next from you?
Yeah, keep on doing what we have been doing a little more aggressively now. We are aging, the company is aging. We have more street in the field.
Okay.
We have more credibility, builds up over a period of time. So
Okay.
we'll do it more aggressively, more in a better fashion. That's what the plan is.
So you plan to disrupt the market?
No, market is too big. There's so much growth happening. Unfortunately, the macros are very, very bad. So all of us have to actually take care of people to prevent all these things from happening in the future. So that would be the bigger agenda.
Right. So how can the whole industry come together?
Yeah, we're coming to it. I see a lot of people working in their own ways to see to it that this happens. And I must give a huge kudos here to a very large population of doctors
Okay.
who
Yes,
tirelessly,
absolutely. Right.
day in and day
Dedicated
out, with
to-
all that what they receive from some people, continue doing it. So that's our biggest hope.
All right. Thank you. Thanks for chatting
Thank
with
you.
us and wish you good luck.
Thank you.